Gotta have water. Water is very important. Very important to have water. Ugh. Let's go to Planet Fitness. Mission halfway accomplished. Planet Fitness is done. I just went to Panera to get my beautiful, delicious beverage. Now I gotta get something to eat. Then we're gonna go charge the vehicle at Walmart, and that way it can charge while I work, and also probably will have to poop in the bathroom at the same time. So might as well kill 17 birds with just one singular rock. But I'm hungry. I need to eat food immediately. So let's do it. Let's do it. Got my Jack in the Box. Hell yeah. Let's go to the next stop. Well, I'm here at the Electrify America charge station. I gotta go on the Electrify America app, which is right here. We gotta connect the charger first, and then we can start charging. So let's do that. But of course I need an adapter, so it's in here. Darcy blows. We're gonna wanna open the charge port. Boom. Darcy blow. Charger 50. Boom. Start charging. Starting to charge. 3 hours, 10 minutes remaining. Yes, that's great. This is a slow charger, which is fine because it's actually supposed to be healthier for the battery. But I mean, they've done studies and they find that supercharging does not degrade the battery any more than regular slow charging. But conventional wisdom says that slower charging is healthier for the battery. But the Tesla has really, really good preconditioning for the battery, which cools it down and makes sure, because heat is really what kills a battery, and supercharging produces a lot of heat. But with the way that the Tesla preconditioned, it's not really an issue. But this is the only one that I can use here, and it's slow, but I'm going to be here for a while anyway. I'm going to get some work done, and might as well top up the tank while we're doing that, you know? It is a slow charger, not a supercharger. Well, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to move my seat back. Then I can access my window cover. Okay, something is crushing over there. That's fine. Doesn't matter. So I can grab my window cover back here. Oh my God. Back here. Boom. Okay. Oh man, this thing is just, as usual, unwieldy as hell. I'm going to put the silver side facing out because the sun. Not that it's a sunny day, but I mean, during the day, might as well, right? It's actually kind of cloudy today, but who knows how long that will last, knowing Southern California, how it starts off cloudy sometimes in the morning, and then it's like sunny and 97 degrees, so that's always fun when that happens. We got our sunshade up. Sometimes I like to put all of the window covers up. I feel weird doing that sometimes. I feel like it causes suspicion, but I mean, while I'm charging, but I'm gonna be here for 3 hours, 15 minutes charging, so I don't know, it gives privacy. What's the worst that could happen, right? I need to clean out this car. There's too much stuff back here. Normally I like to have the interior completely empty and have everything in the trunk and the front and the sub-trunk. There's a lot of storage space in the Tesla, but I haven't had time to do it. I will though, but I haven't had time to do it, so I'm not gonna do it yet right now. I like the privacy of the window covers, it's nice. Any number of things. One of the advertised uses of these is for breastfeeding, which I do lots of that. Tons of it. Plus it makes it less warm in here, so it costs less electricity money, which is good. There's even a rear window cover that is suction cup, and these don't really stay on very well, but I do my best. But they just don't really ever stay on very well. Now I'm in my own little camping area, and the sunroof is completely uncovered, but you really cannot see inside the sunroof when you are outside during the day. And even during night, I mean, if there's a screen on, like the screen, you can see it through the sunroof, but you can't see the people inside. It's not 100% privacy, but it's pretty close to that. But I will get covers for the roof at some point. But for now, I like seeing outside. I like seeing the trees. It's nice. And the sun does shine through, but it's tinted like 99% or something crazy like that. So it doesn't really bother me that much. Now I don't need the sunglasses anymore. Now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. I gotta work. I gotta get some work done here while I'm here in my nice little office. I like to take my shoes off because it's nice. It feels like home. Setting an alarm for 1 p.m. This should be done charging at around 1 p.m. to finish my wake up checklist. It's very important to finish that. That way I can just take it out of my mind until the alarm goes off, pretty much. I got some camera batteries that need charging. This is one of them right here. This is my camera battery. And in here is where I keep all that stuff for charging. So this battery right here needs to be charged also. This one right here. Now that I have two, I can charge them both at once, which is great. It's USB-C and micro USB also, which is wonderful. There are USB-C ports in here. I don't know if you can USB-C them. They're right here. Then I just close it and have the cable sticking out like that. It's not a very luxurious solution, but that's how they designed the vehicle. So I don't know, man. Ask Tesla why they did that. I don't know, man. You can see I got barely any sleep. My eyes look crazy tired right now. I went to bed at like midnight last night. I stayed up way too late doing editing and stuff. I need to figure out how to not stay up super late all the time. I'm gonna plug in the USB-C here. Now that it's in, my batteries are charging, my camera batteries directly from the Tesla while the Tesla is charging, mind you, which is cool. And I just keep them right there. But before I can begin any of that, I have so much stuff going on up here. I have tons of trash that needs to be dealt with. I like to have a clean space to work, at least in the front. The back I'll deal with another time, but let's do that. Let's get it all cleaned up. Remember, it's important to keep your space clean when you live in a car because it is easy to get overwhelmed quickly. Deal with the trash every single day. Every day. So let's do it. I'm in love with the flowers that my boyfriend got for me. It's so sweet of him. I like to keep them visible while I'm working. I like to put them where I can see them because it reminds me of him. So sweet. Let's see how charged the MacBook is. We are at 59%. That's all right. Could be better. I mean, it's plugged in right now, but I've got to transfer footage using both USB-C ports, so I like to have a close to full charge for that, but whatever. All right, well, we are close enough. We are at 74% right now, close enough to 80. So good few hours of work, making good progress today, very good progress. So it's time now to move the vehicle away from the charging, and then we're going to continue the morning checklist because I've not finished it yet. So we gotta do that. We gotta do that, and we'll go from there. Flowers. It's amazing how much warmer it is now just taking those covers off. We have to stop charging, boom, and we have to unlock the charge port, boom. Then we can just remove the entire thing like that, bring it around, and we can unlatch my adapter and plug it in. Back where it needs to go, boom. Oh yeah, we want to get the cable out of the way. Of course, we don't want the cable in the way. The charge port should have closed automatically, which it did. Very good. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. All right, let's move the car. But I gotta put the adapter away first. Little bag. Schlorp. That's the sound of it going in the bag. Okay, good. We close that. And now I can move my seat back. Hands-free. 75%, not bad. Not bad. Move the vehicle. Let's do it. Crazy how it just runs on electricity. No gas smell, no vibration from the engine running or anything like that. It's just, okay, we're not gonna go that way. It's just quiet and it's nice. Okay, parked, we're good. Wonderful. Now I need to complete my morning checklist. I need to brush my teeth. I haven't done that today. I know that's gross, but I didn't have any time this morning to do it before taking my boyfriend to work, and I wanted to eat breakfast, so that was the chicken sandwich that I had, and I have to brush my teeth out of my car, so I don't want to be surrounded by cars, and that's where that charging spot was, unfortunately. But now I'm in a more secluded area, and I can actually do it. So first step, I have to squirt my holes. So I had my wisdom teeth removed, which is why I need to squirt my holes. That sounds crazy, but it is actually what it is. So they gave me, the holes are not closed up. That was a while ago. They gave me this syringe. this syringe right here, as you can see, this syringe right here, and this liquid. And every time after I eat food, I need to squirt out all the food from the holes. So first thing I need is water, which I have right here. Gotta have water if you're living in your car. It's always good to have 2 gallons of water at least. Fill up my water bottle here. The cap back on. Water back where it goes. Make sure this lid is screwed on, because that would suck if it's not. I love water. I'm gonna drink a bunch of water because after I brush my teeth and everything, I can't drink anything for like 30 minutes. That's how mouthwash works. If you don't do that, you're doing it wrong. And if you don't use mouthwash, you're doing it wrong also. If you're one of those people like, mouthwash is bad for you. Okay, have bad breath then. Good job. Get the bottle right here, and I'm gonna fill up a cap of the bottle with the liquid so that I can easily get the liquid with the syringe. Bring my mirror down so I can see what I'm doing. This is like the grossest thing. I hate doing this. Okay, we're gonna put it in and suck up some of the liquid, like so. Then I put it in the holes of my mouth. You spit it out the door. And you're supposed to do it until there is no more food that comes out, because my God, there's so much space for food in there. It's crazy. Now it's time to floss. After doing mouthwash, remember, no eating or drinking for 30 minutes afterwards. So, let's do it now. That's the biggest thing about if you live in your car. If you pee like you don't, you'll have a better time. Trust me. It's a very dry season right now. Very, very dry season. Even though it's like spring. My lips are so chapped. Let's set up the window covers again and just relax for a little bit. It's not even Sunday, and it's a sunny day. What is that all about? Now you might be asking yourself, Parker, how do you cut your toenails? Great question. I'm gonna do it just right here, because it needs to be done every once in a while, and today is the day. Today is the day it's gonna be done. Keep it in the glove box. Is it right here? I'm going to remove a sock and let my dogs out. Free foot reveal. Always close your eyes when you do the cut, because it could fly off into your eyeball. Having window covers is a must, because then you can do all of the stuff that you need to do without anybody being like, oh my God, what are you doing? Today I just posted the first video on this channel, and it is so weird to see 0 views. My God, it's so weird to see that. I remember when I would post a video and it would have like 5,000 views in the first hour or so. That was crazy. But it takes time to start a new channel from scratch. So if you are doing that, don't give up. Keep going. Keep going. No one gets views at the very beginning of a YouTube channel. Nobody does. Just let the algorithm do its work. Just keep posting. Have faith that if your videos are good, and you title them correctly and use thumbnails correctly and all that stuff, it'll reach an audience. But your videos have to be good. Most people who say that they can't get any views on their videos aren't good. There's something about it that's not good. So keep that in mind. But even if your videos are good, it does take at least like a year to start getting consistently 1,000 views on videos. You know what I mean? Could even take longer. It is time to take a break, and today's lunch is salad from Walmart. Caesar salad. Well, break is over. Time to get back to work. Got my MacBook Neo. It's so great. This is a great laptop. It's perfect for this lifestyle. It really is. The battery life is what is very important, because getting power in a car pretty near impossible. So it charges with USB-C, can be charged with a car charger in a regular car, or a USB-C port on a regular car, or the USB-C ports on Tesla. No need for an inverter, anything like that. I have had no issue editing 4K video filmed on a Netflix approved camera. Not this, something else. I've had no issue at all. It's kind of insane that this $500 laptop can do that. It blows my mind. Tonight is just a working night, and really all day has been a working day. Most days are like this for most people. While I do go on adventures all the time, most of my days are not adventurous. I have to edit everything, and that takes a long time. But this is supposed to be a real look at what it is like to live in your car. This is just what it's like. This is how you do it. I think it's actually pretty interesting to watch. It's not interesting to actually do the mundane parts yourself, but I think it's interesting to watch the mundane parts if they're edited in a way that is entertaining, which I think that I do a great job. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
How are you doing?
Oh, I'm winning.
Oh, that's awesome. Are you winning?
Yeah.
Are you winning, son?
Yes, Dada.
He did my laundry for me today so I could work while he was doing it. It was so sweet of him. Wasn't it?
It was easy. I love doing laundry.
It was very, very nice of him. You're so sweet. Get you someone who will do laundry for you. But while working, we're back at the Walmart charger, the slow one. But that's fine, because it's good for the battery, allegedly. So this is a typical night. Just doing some last minute transferring of files. The finished video that I edited today, the second episode of this channel, and then it's time to go to sleep after that. But I'm tired. It's already 12:27 a.m. My bedtime is 10:45 p.m. I've been tired the past couple days, but we ball and we get stuff done. Also, I might go to Mexico on Saturday. Let's go to sleep, dude. Okay, it's time for sleep. I'm in my sleeping bag. Got camp mode on, climate control, all that stuff. I'll see you tomorrow. Hit the light. Boom.